Yeah, this is Navika. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. Today we want to look at this PC. It's a desktop PC and it's made of HP. It's HP. It has a problem of not starting. If you check on the motherboard, there is the power supply is working properly. You can see there is a light on your motherboard. That means there is current flow in the motherboard. But the problem of this PC is quite a funny thing, because it just when you start here on the power button here, so if you start, it just breaks for a few seconds like this and then it puts off. Oh wow, it does a miracle this time down and it's able to okay. So if you have such kind of a challenge, kindly make sure you check on dust. Number one, dust. Make sure your machine is very clean. Number two, look at the connections of the power supply part. The power supply, make sure that the start is okay. And if you have any question on these issues, kindly leave a comment. If you have any other more solutions on this kind of problems, kindly leave a comment. Remember to subscribe and let me see you next round.